What is up, you beautiful people? Welcome to another cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today I'm going to show you how to make one really easy, really tasty cocktail with a naughty name. But that doesn't make it any less tasty. So, without further ado, let's make a sex in the driveway. So, to make a sex in the driveway, you need a car and a driveway, obviously. But to make the cocktail, you need vodka, peach schnapps, blue curacao, and lemon lime soda. This one's built directly in the glass, so without further ado, let's crack straight into it. First, we are going to start with vodka, 60 ml, 2 ounces. Add that directly into our glass. Followed by 30 ml, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, peach liqueur. And 30 ml, 1 ounce of blue curacao. Now we're going to add ice. Just a little bit more. And top this up with lemon lime soda. We're gonna garnish it with a lemon wheel. Add a straw. And that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, sex in the driveway. Cheers! Oh, really nice, real fruity, tasty, sweet. This is a real summer drink. I highly recommend this one if you love sweet and fruity drinks. Well, boys and girls, this recipe was quick and easy, real tasty. Try it at home. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you want to see more recipes, the playlist is over here. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.